How to verify Grab account. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to teach you how you can verify your Grab account, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Basically, if you're new into this app, at the bottom of your screen you're going to find two different buttons: sign up and login. If you already have an account here in your Grab app, just click on login, but if not, tap on sign up. And this is the process you must follow in order to verify your account. So I'm going to select my Gmail account, continue with this Gmail account, and now they're gonna ask me for my number. So you must choose your code, your nationality, your region or country, and then type your mobile number. Once you tap on next, you're going to receive a verification code into your messages here in your mobile, and then you must type the code here in the app. Once you have tapped the code here, you will verify your account in Grab. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching.